everybody. Welcome back to this YouTube video. Today, as you can see by the name of this video, we are reviewing and rating some french fries. Some fast food. Right now, I'm going to try a french fry, and I'll rate it from 1 to 10. I rate these french fries a 9.7 out of 10. They're so good. Now let's try this, which is a burger patty and a tomato. I rate that a simple 5 out of 10. Actually, 6.9 out of 10. So, I also dip the french fry with ketchup because it tastes better. Another fact about me is I only eat french fries by putting the french fries right next to each other, like this, and then eating them. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe because it'll really help us out a lot. Bye!